Hi guys. This is the they are connecting, right? If you can see, I don't know the. Look at the. I think this is nearby, but this is. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome to the channel. My name is Winnie. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking. If you're not new, thank you so much for always coming back. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys the beautiful project. That's the Upper Hill Viaduct construction updates. I'm gonna be showing you guys what is happening, facts about the project, and how far the project has gone so far. If you guys know, I've done updates about this viaduct severally, so I'm gonna also link the previous videos that I've done about the Upper Hill project, and you do go ahead and check it out. So thank you so much for clicking. Like this video, comment on this video, remember to subscribe to this channel, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. We are in Upper Hill and we're here to look at the Upper Hill Viaduct. So as you can see there's a lot of progress. I'm just approaching the viaduct and I want us to see what is happening. So you guys can see that there's so much progress. So I'm right in Upper Hill. So you guys can see even you see the Kenyatta Avenue viaduct is now officially like connected together with this one. So we're going to take a walk up to the other side at the front and see what things are looking like. I don't know if I'll be able to go inside because last time I was here they have all these issues about like trying to get inside, and also like they have the stickers saying you should not take images or videos without, you know, permission or something like that. So anyway, let's just feed our eyes. This is what we have. I can see construction men, you know, coming this way. So I think they are sort of like on a break. But you guys can see this is coming all the way from Kenyatta Avenue, and they are joining it together. So it's supposed to come all the way from Kenyatta Avenue up to that side. It connects basically. Yeah. So yeah. Let's see. So this is it. I think these are like drainages. Yeah. So it's taking shape. The construction guys are just like passing me by. So you can see like there's a lot happening here. So I want to cross on that other side, and then we'll take a look and see what is happening. But this is what we have so far. Okay, so you guys can see this is the viaduct. So you can see that, you know, up to there's like you know, the pillars that you're doing. Same thing if you've watched the Kenyatta Avenue Viaduct videos, it's the same terminologies. So you can check out the comment section because, you know, there's a lot of people in the comment section usually know all the terminologies of everything. So you can just check out the comment section if you're looking for, you know, like the scientific part of it, the technical side of things. However, I'm going to link down the first video that I did with a fellow YouTuber who explained in depth how a viaduct is created from bottom to top. Yep. So You guys can see here, like you know, they're working on these like pillars, beams. They're called beams. So you can see like it's still on its inception. This side of this viaduct is a bit slower. Because I don't think it's as long as the Kenyatta Avenue one. The Kenyatta Avenue one seems to be like a bit long, so it's going to definitely need more time to complete. However, I do think that the Kenyatta Avenue viaduct has really moved at a fast pace, and you guys know that they are supposed to be finished at the same time, because you know they are connecting, right? If you can see on that end, you can see like it's going like this. So they're going to connect, so they're supposed to finish at the same time. So that's why you can see it's like they're trying to paste them at the same time. But I think this one is shorter. I don't know the measurement, like the distance of this one compared to the other one. If you know, you can also comment down on the comment section. So I want us to walk up to that end and see what is happening. I don't know if this viaduct is ending here, because I can see like it's going down that way, but let's take a look, and then we may have to take a look at the Kenyatta Avenue viaduct and see the progress so far. I had taken a look at it almost 2 weeks ago. If you haven't watched that video, please do. Please do check out that video that I did some time back. 2 weeks ago, I posted a video about the Kenyatta Avenue viaduct. There's massive progress, so do check it out. Okay guys, so basically this was the empty part. If you guys remember the last time I did the Kenyatta Avenue viaduct, so this was more like the empty part. So now they filled it up, so the viaduct actually kind of ends here. This way it's going to be like elongating downwards, and then it goes up all the way and connects to Kenyatta Avenue. So yeah guys, so this is it. Let me just walk a bit on that side, because here there's like congestion, and give you guys like let me give you guys a better look. Sorry guys, I'm just trying my best to get like the best shots, because it's completely closed and they're not really allowing like filming and things like that. So just trying to get the best shot that I can. So this is what we have. You can see there's like men at work and all that. Let me try and zoom it more. So you can see there's men at work. Sorry guys, that's better. So you can see that's what's happening there. You can see that side things look like they are getting together, but here they haven't yet finished. It's not going to pass over up to this end. So this is it. Like this is the farthest it's going to get. So definitely this one is shorter than the one at Kenyatta Avenue. I don't have the facts about like the measurements, like how long this one is compared to the other. I can check it out and see if I can find any information on that. If I do, I will definitely include it in the introduction of the video, so I can let you guys know like you know, facts about the measurements of the viaducts. But you guys can see there's a lot of progress. I'm thinking by the end of the year we could be, you know, we could expect something in 6 months, but let's see how it goes. Of course you have to give them time to give like a quality work. Otherwise, this is the progress of Kenyatta Avenue viaduct. You guys know that this viaduct is meant to alleviate heavy traffic and congestion in this area, and to you know, ease traffic basically. So you guys can see that even without the viaduct, there's a lot of congestion. Remember, this is on this is a weekend, so there's not that much vehicles. But if you come here during a weekday, you are definitely going to see just how congested this place can be. So this is a weekend, and this is like morning hours, so and it's like this, so you can imagine. So you can just imagine when it's not on a weekend. This is Nairobi, obviously, you know, people are gonna party and do whatever, so there's a lot of craze on the road. But that's about it for this progress of this viaduct. I'm gonna keep checking up on this project, and I'll keep updating you guys on the progress of the project. So this is the Upper Hill, Gong Road, up Viaduct, something like that. Upper Hill Viaduct, and yeah, about 3.5 billion budget for this. Project started back in like 2022, I think, 2022, and then it was paused in 2023, and then it was restarted again in 2024. Let me check my facts, but in case I'm missing any information, don't bash me in the comment section. I'm just trying to like give you guys an overview. If you don't know, like if you want to know a lot of information about this project, I'm gonna link down the first video I did about this viaduct, and you're gonna find out all the information you need to know, the budget, what this is for. This is being constructed by CRBC, and so much more information. So thank you so much for watching up to this point. Okay guys, so we've reached to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've watched up to this point, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Remember, 90% of you guys watching my channel are not yet subscribed, so I would appreciate if you subscribe, because it lets YouTube know that you're enjoying the videos and you do like what I'm doing. So please engage with my content, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Umerauka kama kitu.